Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyyihi Muhammadin Sayyidil Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his prophet Muhammad, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. I want to speak something on the topic of importance of English language for dawah. Allah said in the Holy Quran, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن رَّسُولٍ إِلَّا بِلِسَانِ قَوْمِهِ لِيُبَيِّنَ لَهُمْ فَيُضِلُّ اللَّهُ مَن يَشَاءُ وَيَهْدِي مَن يَشَاءُ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. We didn't send any messenger, but speaking in the language of his people, so that he might clearly convey the message to them. So Allah lets go astray whom he wills, and lets find guidance whom he wills. He is the mighty, the wise. Language is a means of communication for people. From this viewpoint, every language has its own importance. It can be used to convey a message to the speakers of a particular language, but if any language secures international status, it grows more significant, since it will have a vast perspective for any activity to be carried out through in the medium. In the recent age, we see that English language is spreading throughout the world. It has become internationally popular language. People around the world are not only accustomed to using the language, rather they feel proud of using it. They pay attentive ear and respectful look to those who speak English. So it is not only a medium of communication, rather it leaves a lot of effect and impact over people. On the other hand, English is the language of science and technology. The language of major international media is English. The anti-Islamic elements spread many misconceptions about Islam and Muslims through this language. Therefore, no doubt, learning English is very useful and important for our purpose. We should learn this language due to its importance. Therefore, we should use it as source to defend Islam and Muslims. Rather, it is not only allowed to learn this language, rather it is a kind of hikmah, means wisdom, which Allah ordered to apply in the verse of the Quran, "Ud'u ila sabili rabbika bil hikmati wal maw'izati al hasanah wajadilhum billati hiya ahsan inna rabbaka huwa a'lamu biman dhalla an sabilihi wa huwa a'lamu bil muhtadin." Invite people to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good counsel, and argue with them in the best of manners. Surely your Lord knows best the one who deviates from his way, and he knows best the ones who are on the right path. Islam allows using every lawful means. It doesn't forbid learning a language for good reasons, as no evil lies in a language. Rather, it is sunnah to learn a new language to defend Islam and Muslims. The Prophet, Allah bless him and give him peace, was reported to have asked Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit, may Allah be pleased with him, to learn Syriac language, as he didn't trust the Jews who used to communicate with him in this very language. Dear audience, this is the reason that our ulama and elders have always regarded learning English as lawful, rather better for the purpose of dawah. But it is unfortunate that they are maligned for sins which they never committed. People blame them that they opposed learning English, whereas what they opposed was the English culture, not the language. All great ulama from Shah Abdul Aziz Muhaddis Dehelvi and Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi down to Maulana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi and Maulana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi. And how can they deny this natural phenomenon and fact that Allah sent down countless prophets and messengers at different times and places in the language of their people? The prophets invited people to Allah in the language their people understood. As the verse I recited in the beginning says, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن رَّسُولٍ إِلَّا بِلِسَانِ قَوْمِهِ لِيُبَيِّنَ لَهُمْ فَيُضِلُّ اللَّهُ مَن يَشَاءُ وَيَهْدِي مَن يَشَاءُ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. We didn't send any messenger, but speaking in the language of his people, so that he might clearly convey the message to them. So Allah lets go astray whom he wills, and lets find guidance whom he wills. He is the mighty, the wise. Here I conclude. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.